everyone, so I will open my Christmas gift. Excited.
Alright, let's open. Okay, what's your gift? You show them. What's your gift? You show them. Come on, carry it. Woohoo!
This is my dollhouse.
Your dollhouse?
Yeah.
Okay. But then can we open it on Christmas?
But no, because I like it.
You like it now?
Yeah.
But it's better if it's Christmas.
It's okay. I will open it on Christmas and open it now and then like that.
Again, open it. How can you open it when it's already open? Huh? Ray.
It's okay. I'll open it 2 times again.
Okay, let's do it. Let's open it. Come on. Okay, we're opening it now. There, Latos.
Because I'm happy. Excited.
Okay, so this gift is actually supposed to be opened on Christmas Eve. But then she saw it yesterday. It was delivered yesterday, so she got so excited. She wants to open it now. Okay? How to open this?
Let's open this.
Oh, it's on the side. It's here. It's here. Okay. Sorry, I'm just doing it by my one hand because I'm using the camera. Oops, there's another scotch tape over here. Okay, let's open it. Ta-da! Wow! Okay, come on. You bring it out. Wait, you bring it out. Careful. Use your 2 hands. Go, go, go. Go, go. Oh, is it heavy? Wow! Careful. Careful, don't drop it. So this is how it looks like in the photo. In the photo of the box. Okay? Outside the box, it looks like this. And this is for real. Oh, it's inverted. Wow! Look at that. Look at that.
What's this? On the beach?
Yeah.
On the
Okay, so they're practically the same. With like this one is just open, this one is still closed. But then, the way it was described in the online shop, pretty much it's the same. Okay, and it's a little, it's bigger than expected, huh? Okay, look. See? Can you see, Ramiel? Wow, are you happy now?
Yeah.
Okay, can we tear the plastic off? Alright, let's go. How do we tear it off? Okay, I think we need scissors. Okay, it's right here. Yay! Okay, go there. Whoa, and it moves, huh? Imagine. So it's a moving bus, house bus. Whoa! Look at that, Ray. Look at that. Is it nice? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. We'll open the rest on December, huh? We already opened the box. Huh? We already opened the box. You said we will open it once and then another time on Christmas Eve. We already opened it. But then we open the bus next time. Huh? Can we open it next time?
I can do it like this.
Oh, can you just play with this?
Yeah.
Huh? Just like this, like a bus?
Yeah.
It's okay not to open?
No.
Huh?
No.
What?
Not.
Not okay?
It's not. It's okay. But I'm not.
Look here, look. It's okay if we don't open it?
Yeah. Not.
So what do you want? Open it or not?
Not because it's not Christmas.
It's not Christmas yet. Wow. You're so patient. It's okay with you? Can you wait?
Yeah.
Look, Ray. Can you wait till Christmas?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do with this?
I just play like this.
Just play like this? Hmm?
What's this?
like a handle, so you can carry it.
It looks like Christmas.
Huh?
It looks like Christmas. This I will open and then I can carry it.
Like Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Oh, but Santa Claus is not real, huh? Oh, it's like a bag. Wow. Okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Let's not open it yet. But Inay wants to give you a gift now. Yeah. Inay wants you to open it. You want to open it now? Okay. So since she answered yes, even if it's open it on Christmas Eve. I mean, she's patient. And she did not insist. I'm giving her a gift. So we're gonna open it now. How to open it? Okay, I guess this one. Okay. Okay, let's see. This one is open. Wow, look at that. Okay, and then like this. Whoa. And then these are the stuff. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a mess after she plays with it. Ray, after you play with this, you put it back here inside. Alright? Alright? Should we have a deal?
Yeah.
So that it will not be scattered anywhere. Huh? So pretty much it should look like this when we collapse it. Oh, so the sides can still be open. Okay, sides can still be open. Let's see if we can open it, huh? Alright, let's see. Okay, so this is how it's open. This is how it looks like when it's opened. It's like this. And then the sides can actually be opened. Wow, look at that, Ray. And then, I think this one, it can stand like this. Okay, you have to put some, you have to put some suspension here. And it can be like this. And it's totally open. There's this sort of chain for the... I think this is for the swing. Alright. So here's what's inside. So you have all this stuff. I think this belongs to the living room. Yeah. Oh. I no, this is not living room. I think this is bedroom. You have the bed here. Oh. And then you have this dresser. Right. And then how about this one? What is this? I guess these are plates. These are plates. So you have to collapse it. This is really good. I didn't expect it. And this is what? Oh, this is a bathtub. This is for the bathroom. This is so nice.
Yeah, it looks like a baby's bathtub.
Okay, so we're gonna put them all together. We're gonna assemble them and let's see how they look like. Huh?
Hey, look at palace.
It's like a palace? No.
It looks like a palace.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna assemble them and then let's see how they look like later.